I was riding along on my Voodoo Aizan, and I approached some bollards the council had put on the bridle path. And I just happened to glance it with the handlebar, and it was enough just to take the top off me bar end. So I stuck it back on, but it kept coming off every time I sort of leant it up against. And there are plenty of bar ends available on eBay, but they all say 22mm. This one, the inside diameter of the handlebar isn't 22, it's more like 19. So I've got my vernier gauge, and it's actually, well, it says it's just under 20, but it's 20mm because it's 19.99. So I hunted high and low for something like that, and then I've come across these ones on eBay, and they're by a company called Lizard Skins, and I like them because they've got a little lizard motif, which is typical. That's so weird. It's got a little lizard motif on it, and if you get it the right way round, you can see that it's, and I think that kind of matches the Voodoo Aizan kind of style of a bicycle. Anyway, so these are my new bar ends, and I've measured these, and they'll look like they'll fit just nice because that's a very nice soft rubber. This is a very sort of pliable rubber, and once they're in and I get them the right way around, I think they'll look quite good. So I'm going to go and fit those. So there's the hole left by the old one. And this one is the factory one, I'll call it. This is the one that came out of the shop. It actually has a larger circumference. I couldn't find one with that circumference. This is a wallpaper scraper. So it's not actually a perfect fit, it just sticks a bit proud, but that's what you'd want from a bar end. And so it's not a perfect fit. But it's not too bad for what I want. When you lay it down, or if it hits the wall, it's going to touch this and not the metal here. I think I put it the right way up, didn't I? Yeah. So thank you for watching, and have a safe journey.